Hello guys, this is Alice from Landpack Machinery. Today I would like to introduce you one of our multi-lane packing machine. This one is 6-lane grain packing machine for grain products. So let me tell you how to adjust the whole machine. This is the control panel of the machine, and this is the touch screen. We use Siemens brand, and this is the switch button. This is the start and stop button. This is the emergency button. The 4 temperature controller, these two is to control the vertical searing temperature, and these two is control the horizontal temperature. Now let's switch on the machine. When you switch on the machine, make sure the touch screen is on and all the temperature controller is working. Here, we can set the target temperature in green 150, 100. Now, it's almost reached the target temperature. The right one is the actual temperature of the controller. When it reaches the target temperature, then we can run the machine. Now we run into the operation page. This page is to show the total output and Landpack function. This is the packing speed. You need to turn on the photocell when you run the printing film, and you also need to turn on this filling button. Print button is to make sure the printer is working to print the date on the back. And this cooling function also needs to turn on. This is the cutter function. So now let's see how other page. This is the alarm page. You can turn on this one, no film alarm. It means that when the machine has no film, it will be alarm. Yes. So the next page is the parameter page. You can set the back length here. This is your target back length. You can set to other number like 70. But now let's keep it. Let's keep it to 60. Like this. This is the 60 back length. Now that's it. This is the other parameter, but most of them have been preset at our factory. Okay, that's all for our today's introduction. If you have more information, you can contact our after-sales engineer to get more support. Thank you.